Good afternoon. My name is Dejan Gale. I am a student at Kane University. I am currently a rising senior, pursuing a bachelor's in computer science with a minor in cybersecurity. I mainly do cybersecurity oriented research alongside Dr. Yulia Kumar, which is my first major advisor and my research mentor. I also do research alongside Dr. Ginny Lee. All thanks to Kane University for giving me the opportunity to do so. But before I get into this, since I am on a time limit, I just want to let you guys know if you want to dig deeper into my research, as well as some of the functions that my research offers you, some of the things the applications can do, as well as my future works. Everything is available on my GitHub, which is Dejan G. Everything is up to date as I am working on it. I regularly commit there, as well as I have a README as well as the datasets that I've used. I will get into the datasets a bit later when I get into the demonstration, but let's hop right into it. So I'm gonna change over to a full screen view just so you can see what I'm doing on my get the front end loaded. This should restart over here. There we go. You can see the front end. Now for the image classification. Server. Start up properly. Perfect, perfect. So my research basically takes a few adversarial methods. Just to quickly name them, I have FGSM, which is fast gradient sign model. This mainly focuses on distortion as the primary adversarial method. I have a read up of this on my GitHub explaining to you how this is calculated, the methods as well as the equation that is used when calculating and applying said said distortion. We also have PGD, which is projected gradient descent for the actual technical name of it. Instead of just being blatant distortion, it applies a bit of fuzziness to it. I'm going to give you a quick example of both of those. The two data sets that I use is a fisheye data set that I located on Kaggle. It has about 20 fresh and 20 non-fresh fisheyes, as well as a mushroom data set provided by Dr. Yulia Kumar for my research. It has about 145 poisonous and 145 non-poisonous mushrooms. But let's get into the demonstration. So I come in here, I open up my non-fresh fisheye dataset. I can just click on any one of these. Click on this one. Okay, so I upload the image. You'll see the original image here. Just for demonstration's sake, you'll see the original image here. You can click show more advanced options. It'll give you a few parameters you can change, which will apply to the adversarial equation that applies either the epsilon, the alpha, depending on what method you're using. For FGSM, the primary number you're gonna be one to focus on is gonna be the epsilon. If you're using PGD, so on and so forth, it'll be alpha, overshoot, so on and so forth. I have a write up for that. But let's get into the demonstration. So if I just hit generate adversarial image, it'll load a bit, give you a bit of feedback in the terminal over here just so you can see the parameters that I have set on the interface here transfer over to the back end when it generates the image. So if I go here, let's say I turn up the epsilon a little bit, you can see that it becomes very distorted. The classification goes from non-fresh to fresh, which is not at all surprising because I can't even make out what's going on. Oh, 0.7, and it's classifying it as fresh. Interesting. This is what my research is mainly on. It basically focuses on trying to trick the model into misclassifying something. And the importance of that is as AI is advancing, the world is relying on it more. And in the future, we are going to be using AI to classify what is eatable, what we can eat, what is spoiled, what is fresh, what is not fresh. I just want to say thank you. Have a great day.